Hey you guys, what is up? So today I've got a really quick thrift haul for you guys. I've got a new camera lens on. I hope you guys like the quality. I hope it looks really good. I'm still playing around with it, so please forgive me if it is weird or off at any point. I'm still figuring it out. It's on autofocus right now, so I'm really hoping that that's fine. I don't know. But yeah, new lens, almost a new year. This is going to probably be my last video of the year. But I have enjoyed our almost a year together. I don't know. I've been doing this since quarantine started, so probably almost a year. I don't know. So first, starting off, I did get a couple of home decor items. They're the same thing, basically, just in slightly different colors. So I got 2 baskets for like $2 each. This one is a nice sort of, it's shiny, so it's got a nice finish on it, but it's almost stained this sort of like honey walnut kind of color, but it's not very deep or anything. It's got these cute little handles on the side. I really liked how these baskets looked. And then this one is slightly deeper. It's raw, so it was unfinished, untreated wood, so I really liked that. And this one is a little deeper, but it does have those same cute little handles, so they kind of match, but they kind of don't. They're really eclectic and they look pretty good together, I think. So I picked those up, and then I got what is probably the best thing I have found at the thrift in a while, and it was this cool hat. I don't know, I'm a sucker for a cool unique accessory, and this one was awesome. This doesn't have an actual price on it, it's just got the label, but it doesn't have anything written on it. So I don't know how much this was. It was probably like no more than $3.99, but I just thought, I'm not gonna put it on because I have to sanitize it, but like just imagine it. It's really cute. I like it. To go under that, because I have been loving the look of that vintage woman with like a scarf wrapped around her head with a hat on top. I have been loving that aesthetic lately. So I picked up this. It also doesn't have a price listed, but I'm sure it was like $2.99. But I picked up this small vintage scarf right here. I love this. I thought it was so beautiful. It's got that awesome mustard tone camel. It's got a little bit of that jade green, tiny bit of blue and a tiny bit of red, but nothing too major. Just very neutral, very fall toned colors, which I tend to like, those fall and winter tones. And I thought it would just look so beautiful with the mustard underneath. Like, look at how gorgeous that would be. So I did buy that to go with the hat. Let's start with this skirt by the brand Cascade Blues. It's a size 10, but this is clearly very old. It is 100% cotton, and it is this awesome sort of acid wash but green skirt. You will see it in a second in the try on, but you can kind of see it's got this really fun design to it. Nice pockets, a silver little button here, tiny little belt loops that probably aren't super functional, but it's a midi skirt, so it goes down probably past the knee. I haven't tried any of this on yet, you guys, so this is all going to be tried on today for you. But I'm really hoping this is a good fit for me, because it is just such a cool thing to own. I don't know. I really like the look of these sort of acid wash denim-y skirts, and I think that this is going to be such a fun winter skirt, especially with like band tees and even sweaters and stuff. You could definitely chic this up, but I think that this is an awesome vintage find, and I was really lucky to pick this up today. This one is really old school. This was $4.99. It's originally by New York & Company. The shell is acrylic and the lining is polyester. It's a size 6, but it looks pretty big, and if I know anything about the modern New York & Company, they're a women's store, so their sizes tend to run a bit larger than I'm used to, but it's just this really cool skirt. I have a million that are similar to this, but this one was really inexpensive, so I did pick it up because it was only $4.99, and I never get enough of these types of sort of tartan plaid tweed sort of skirts in the winter time with tights, sweaters, or blouses. These are just really nice pieces to layer with and layer over top of. They are pretty short, which makes them really nice and digestible. They're not too overwhelming when you're wearing them, especially with tights, like an undershirt, a sweater, and a coat. They still look very minimal and very pretty. Staying with the theme of bottoms, I did pick up 2 pairs of jeans, and they are both a very similar wash. These are by the brand Style & Co. Petite. They are a size 10. They are 98% cotton, 2% spandex, and they were $5.99. I definitely have to iron these because the pocket is kind of hanging out, and if you push it back in, it just bounces right back out. But I thought these would be a really cute high-waisted pair of mom jeans, which is exactly what they are. They aren't a skinny jean. They are a wide leg, or honestly, this is more of a straight leg to me. It just kind of goes from the butt down. So I really liked these. I love the wash of this. It has a little bit of wear on the inner thigh, just one of them. I'm not sure why both of them aren't worn out. So I'm not sure. I'll try to fix that. If worse comes to worse, I could probably turn these into really cute shorts, and that'll just go with sort of the distressing of the jeans. But I really, really loved the wash of these, and I think they're going to fit really nicely. Again, I had corduroy pants on today, so trying things on really wasn't going to happen in the store. Usually I wear like active wear and I just put it over top of my clothing, but I was dumb and I wore corduroy pants today, so I couldn't really try anything on over top of my own clothing. So these have not been tried on yet. I'm really hoping they fit because they are super gorgeous, but I can tell they're older and they're vintage, so fingers crossed on that one. Okay, these actually don't have a size tag, so I'm really hoping these aren't too big. I feel like they might be too big, which is going to just crush me. These are by the Great Northwest Clothing Company. It's 100% cotton, and it is very similar concept, just high-waisted mom jean sort of look to them. No distressing. This is more of a straight leg as well, which is nice. I'm trying to incorporate different styles of jeans into my wardrobe. I am someone that jumped on the skinny jean trend as a teenager and just kind of haven't hopped off since, now that I'm in my 20s. So I think investing in some nicer wide leg pieces will be nice, but for right now I want to get a feel for the fit and the washes that I actually really like in the wide leg jeans. I do have one more skirt that I forgot about here. It is by the brand In Suede. It's a size 6, but again, it looks like a slightly larger 6, and this was $1.99. It is obviously a suede skirt, plain black suede skirt, but then you get to the bottom. This is definitely more of a midi skirt as well. The bottom has this really nice stud work there, and so I really, really loved that. Usually if I find a suede skirt, my inclination, especially because I don't own a short suede skirt, would be to shorten it right there. But because of the stud work here, I'm definitely not going to be shortening it. I will just be wearing it as is because it is beautiful suede. It looks brand new. And the inside just feels like a dream. It feels so soft, and then of course you have the lining, so that is nice as well on your skin. But this is just going to be awesome for the winter. I am going to get so much use out of this. This I heavily debated on buying. So this sweater is definitely going to be really gross and itchy, but it was so cool. I could not turn it down, and it was only like $3. So this is by the brand Cheerleader Supply Co. and it's dry clean only. It's 100% wool, and you guys, this is such a find for me. I don't know. I love these colors. This is so fun. So it's got this SH, this plush varsity lettering on it. It's a turtleneck sweater, and on the sleeves it's got this awesome sort of tannish beigey color and this beautiful mustard yellow going all the way down. It's got these little sleeves that you can cuff. So cute. I absolutely loved this one. It's one of those sweaters that you absolutely will have to wear something underneath it because it's 100% wool and it is so freaking itchy, but it is so cute. And I think you could really edge this up by wearing like a black lipstick and some cool dark makeup, and I don't know, you could even make this into a costume come Halloween time. I think that would be really fun. It's a pair of ripped jeans or something like that. Or you could lean into this aesthetic and you could do like a nice neutral look. You could do a cute high ponytail and like a little, like I have a plaid skirt that would be cute with this. Or I even have like my beige tennis skirt from like LA Sport or something. I don't know. I'll put the brand down below. So we're down to the final two pieces, and I feel really bad. I shouldn't have bought them because they're jackets. And if you know me and you know my closet, you know I don't need any more jackets. I absolutely do not. But I could not resist picking these two items up. I am so excited about them. I love a good grandma jacket, you guys, and I have a couple of them. But this one's really badass. So this one was $5.99. It was half off of $10.99. And I would not have purchased it at the full price, but it is just this like silk looking lion jacket. It's got like all these lions on it. It's got this cool, I don't know why it has lions and then it has leopard print. I'm not sure what that's about, but it has that. It's got, oh no, it has leopards on it too. It's this cool lion and leopard print jacket. You can cuff the sleeves, but they are like this tufted sort of material, and then you cuff them and it's just this pure black, which I thought was really snazzy. It's that really fun old vintage zip that I really like. It's like the thick zipper, and then the black lining is just black. It's got these nice deep pockets in there. I absolutely love this. This is a really great light jacket for fall. I know we're past fall, obviously, moving into winter. It literally snowed the other day. I live in the Midwest. It's probably too cold for this right now, but this is just such a nice jacket. Like if you're going shopping or something, you can wear like a nice overcoat and take that off when you get to the store, because usually in the Midwest, stores are really warm because outside is really cold. So when you get into a store, you end up like sweltering in this like big wool winter coat, but having something like this on underneath so you can just take the coat off but still have like a nice jacket on, for me at least, is kind of an important little staple that I like to have when I am out and about doing like grocery shopping or things like that. I don't know why I've been splurging lately, you guys. This coat was $20. Do I regret it? No. It's by Jones, New York, made in the USA. It is, I'm not going to be able to show you until the try on, but it is this gorgeous black trench coat with these beautiful buttons. They're like this black and brown marble button, like almost tortoiseshell, but not quite tortoiseshell. It is so glamorous. I just bought a brown overcoat that reminded me of Zara, but this definitely also has that very like high-end, high fashion look to it, obviously without the high-end, high fashion price. It did come with this belt. I'm not crazy about the belt itself, so I might replace that or just not wear it with it. But it is obviously a very long trench coat, and I am very thankful. I tend to not buy winter coats in the winter time, especially, you know, with the current situation in the world. I definitely try to leave the inexpensive actual winter warm coats for people who actually need them, who are low income and need the thrift stores for more than just fashion shopping or, you know, any serotonin. I don't know. And I also have a couple coats that I'm donating, so I didn't feel as bad buying these, knowing all of that information, but just something to keep in mind while you guys are shopping. I know I did haul some hats and some, you know, scarves and some coats, but just know that these things aren't actually super warm, so these aren't by any means like a winter good. This is more so like an overcoat that you would throw over like an outfit to look nice than to stay super toasty warm. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this week. I had a great year with you guys. This is a fantastic little journey I think we're on, and I love our tiny little community. I think we're such a fun little group. Anyways, I love reading your comments, so go ahead and leave me one if you want to. Let me know what your favorite piece was, or what your favorite thing that you thrifted this year was. I think that would be a really fun thing. Or if you have a photo of it on your Instagram, let me know what your Instagram is, because I think that would be really fun to see. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Oh, Happy New Year! Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year, everyone! And happy holidays for whatever you guys have just finished celebrating, or are still celebrating. I don't know how long most winter holidays go on for, but if you're still celebrating, congrats! I hope you are having a great time. I hope you are staying safe and warm, and if you are with your family, I hope that you have a fantastic time with them. If you're having a miserable, horrible time, I want to say sorry, and I want to tell you that this time will be over quicker than we think, probably longer than we want, but quicker than we think. And stay well until next time I see you. Bye!